So we've had a look at simple command lines that allow us to move around. Directories, subdirectories, creating a directory, removing it, etc. We're going to explore the concept of file system in more depth. What is it? What is it for? And now that you know how to move around, it will be easier for you to follow this video. A file system is the way in which files are organized on the hard drive. It is represented by a slash. So it's the root of our file system. Going from there, you have directories. Those directories can be imagined as boxes in which you can put more boxes. Subdirectories. In those boxes you can put objects or files, and so on. So you can have a directory filled with subdirectories, filled with files, etc. It's often being metaphorically represented as an ampersand or a tree. So as I've said earlier, your file system is called slash. If you type in cd slash, you're at the root of your file system. You have to understand that in your file system, there's the system part, where the user might not have access to it all, permission issues. And then there's the home directory part, which will follow you anywhere, whichever machine you're using at the school. And this home directory will contain all of your own files. So if we do an ls-la on that slash, as we have seen here, we can see a lot of files. So, as I've said, on the far left there's the permission column. D is for directory. Dash means it's a file, not a directory. So, directory, file, and then you have the permissions part. EX, RWX, RWXR, permissions. The user to whom these directories / files belong to, the group to which the user belongs to, the file / directory size, date last modified or creating date, and the name. ... as I've said before, represents the parent directory. You're going to tell me we're in / we're already at the root. Give it a shot. Does nothing because there's no parent directory. If you type only cd, you'll be sent to your personal home directory. Remember, pwd, you know where you are. You'll also notice that your home directory is represented by a tilde, a little wave. So when you see that tilde, that wave, it means you're home.